Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser and let's tap on this three dots icon. Here let's tap on the settings, and as you can see in advanced we've got clear browsing data option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we can choose what we want to remove, so we can remove, for example, browsing history, cookies, passwords or site settings. Let me pick also site settings, for example, and if you are ready, click on clear data. Click on clear, and as you can see, the data has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.